Voluntary benefits are growing rapidly, and in this tight job market where competition's strong, they're critical to attracting and retaining top talent. Find out what you need to know about voluntary benefits in this brief eESI podcast. Welcome to today's eESI podcast. Our special guest is Jenifer Allbright. Our subject, voluntary benefits. Jenifer is the Director of Broker Services at eESI. She's been in the business 25 years and she knows a lot about benefits. Welcome, Jenifer. How are you today?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
I'm doing well. And I'm looking forward to learning more about voluntary benefits. This is such an important consideration for so many businesses. Tell us about some of the types of voluntary benefits that are available.
Voluntary benefits are so important for the employers to be able to offer because they can build a robust benefit package that maybe their competitor does not have. But the main thing is it doesn't cost anything for the employer, so they can still control their overall cost.
What are some examples of the types of voluntary benefits that are available?
There are so many voluntary benefits that everyone can find exactly what they're needing. And by partnering with eESI, you're able to access dental, vision, 401k, telemedicine, HSA, disability, short-term and long-term, legal plans, even pet insurance.
How does partnering with someone like eESI enable a company to offer those type of Fortune 500 benefits?
We're able to offer affordable Fortune 500 benefit packages because we have buying power that a company wouldn't have on their own.
There's also requirements that you meet as well. Is that correct?
That is a very good point. For example, a disability. If you were to offer a disability plan to your employees, but at the end of the enrollment, we only have one person sign up, if you were on your own, you're not going to meet the eligibility of putting in a disability group plan. By working with eESI, if one person signs up, it's fine, again, with no employer participation or cost.
Let's talk in specifics about three of the more important voluntary benefits companies can offer. Let's start with 401ks. What's the benefit of using a 401k from eESI versus going out on your own?
One of the important parts of partnering with eESI on the 401k would be the fiduciary responsibility. All of that fiduciary responsibility is shifted over to eESI due to it being our actual plan. But you get the benefits of the employer still being able to build their plan and their offering for their employees like a small plan. Also, the service and compliance administration, the testing, the IRS filing, all of that's included. So you don't have to do that on your own, and you don't have to know how to do all that because we know how to do it all. Advice and managed portfolios are available. So you don't have to know how the 401k works. You don't have to know how to manage it. We do that for you, and we give you tools to be able to pick and choose, and everyone can participate in the 401k at any experience level.
eESI takes over the fiduciary responsibility, which is huge. All the administration, the testing, the IRS filing, all of those service and compliance issues that are necessary, are mandatory, but can be difficult for a small company to understand and to administer themselves. And on top of that, you get the investment advice for your employees. It's all provided by eESI with their 401k plan. What about teledocs? Tell us about teledoc and how partnering with eESI enables a small company to offer that benefit to their employees.
Teledoc is where you can actually call in and talk to a licensed medical physician over the phone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and get prescriptions called in most cases, so you never even have to see the doctor for you and your family members.
So teledoc enables you to talk to a licensed medical professional over the phone anytime of day or night, whenever a sickness occurs, and that professional can listen to you, listen to your symptoms, and prescribe medication over the phone?
Absolutely, and it costs nothing. There are no copays. So if you call in and talk to Teledoc, that consultation is completely free, and that is part of being with eESI.
So there's not even a copay. What would a copay normally cost for something like that?
It can run anywhere from $25 to $65 on a lot of the telemedicine programs.
So by working with eESI, an employer can offer this telemedicine benefit, and their employees can call at no cost, absolutely free, to speak with a licensed medical professional themselves or anyone in their family over the phone anytime sickness occurs, and get a medication prescribed in most cases and called into their local pharmacy.
That is correct. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while traveling out of town. So it's a wonderful benefit.
Let's talk about HSAs and flexible spending accounts. What's the difference between the two? Why are they so powerful? And how does working with someone like eESI help a company and their employees?
Those are very valuable benefits. HSA is a high deductible savings account. What that is it allows you to set aside pre-tax dollars to pay for anything medically related, such as deductibles, prescriptions, dental expenses, glasses, things like that. And you can enroll in an HSA savings account as long as you are enrolled in a qualified high deductible health plan, and can actually be triple tax advantaged if used correctly. They're pre-tax when they're taken out of your check. The interest and earnings grow tax-free, and the distributions are tax-free as long as you use them for anything medically related.
Talk to us briefly just about the difference, the basic difference between the HSA and the flexible spending account.
HSA accounts will roll from year to year and even take you through retirement. Where a flexible spending, it's not going to roll from year to year. You need to use it within that year that you actually have it taken out of your check. There's two types of flexible spending accounts. There's a dependent care flexible spending account, and what that is designed to do is to set aside pre-tax dollars to pay for daycare while you're working. So you can set a limit of up to $5,000 to pay for dependent care under your FSA plan. And there's also healthcare FSA, and that's used to reimburse any out-of-pocket medical expenses incurred by you and your dependent.
Jenifer, is there anything else you'd like to tell our listeners about voluntary benefits that might help them?
Voluntary benefits are a very important part of the benefit portfolio in today's job market to help hire and retain quality employees. So we can customize whatever you need. Just let us know how we can help.
Well, thank you, Jenifer. Really appreciate your time and your information. If you are a company and you're going through that renewal period right now, it is an opportunity, and you may want to consider maximizing it by working with a company like eESI, partnering with someone who can take over a lot of the administration, take over a lot of the time drain, and still give you even better packages than you could obtain yourself. And during this renewal period, you might also want to learn more about voluntary benefits. Voluntary benefits can improve your benefits package substantially and help you attract and retain top talent, so important. eESI has created a voluntary benefits guide that will help answer many of your questions and provide you a list of many of the most popular voluntary benefits available today. You can obtain your own free copy simply by clicking the download link in this post or email. And if you want to maximize your time, resources, and benefits package, contact eESI at 210-495-1171. That's 210-495-1171. Thanks for listening to today's podcast, part of our goal to help you simplify business.